say some Heng-Hua anniversary, right?
Huh? I don't know.
Molly, Ted, Loli. Molly is cat, and Loli is mouse.
大家好，今晚这影片是要介绍咱兴化人的传统。
When the Heng-Huas first came to Singapore from China, they mainly stayed near the Jalan Besar area. We were one of the last dialect groups to come to Singapore. We all wanted to stay near familiar people. We have got less than 30,000 of us. All the other trades were dominated. So we had no choice but to do this transport trade. My grandfather had a tyre shop, and in the 1970s my grandmother opened spare part shops. Till today there are still many Heng-Huas living around this area.
Our regular customers in the past at Well Road are all rickshaw riders. After a long day, they will actually come to our shop to have a very big bowl of white lor mee so that they can continue running around Singapore again after the meal. When my grandfather started, it was actually just along the roadside. He actually hold a pole and then two pots of lor mee. And then slowly we got a shop house at Well Road, and then now over here at Mott Road with two shop house side by side.
This temple was there in Tiwari Road from 1941. That area has a lot of Heng-Hua. So they came from various provinces and villages in Putian. So they actually will come and pray to their own deities, and that's where most of them actually came together. In 1974, we actually moved out from Tiwari, so to come to this Thomson Road. So these pillars and the panels were actually from the old sites at Jalan Besar. Many of the devotees there actually have descendants who moved with us to this location. So we hope to continue the tradition with their next generation and so on, so as to carry on the tradition of our Heng-Hua culture. I've always wanted to join this temple because it is part of our family tradition, and my grandfather and my uncle actually were the disciples here. So I thought we have contributed so much to the temple, it's a waste not to have anyone continue.
Joining this company, joining this spare parts business was quite a natural progression because I literally grew up in the shop. The shop was my playground. All the spare parts, all the boxes of goods were very familiar. They had a very wide 5-foot way, wider than 5 foot. When it was raining, right, we will fold paper boats and then put it down the drain to let it float down to the end of the street.
And I remember there was one time when I broke a glass, my grandfather would scold me. Working in this industry is quite hard because in the kitchen it's so hot. A lot of people at our age won't really want to come into this industry.
Seeing like all the hard work that our grandparents put through, yeah, I just want to come and help our parents and follow on this legacy lah.
This Heng-Hua lor mee is popular because I think it's white. Then a lot of Singaporeans thought when it's lor mee, they'll think like, oh, it's black color. But Heng-Hua, yeah, it's actually white color. So this part here is the harder part. You have to get the consistency very well. Yeah. So it's supposed to be like this. The lor stick starchy. So we have the lor mee here. For me, I still hope that we can keep the Heng-Hua food culture alive to uphold this brand itself, since it's started in 1933 and contribute to the Heng-Hua community. And then anybody out there who knows how to speak Heng-Hua can come and find us. They can teach us the Heng-Hua language.
This spare parts trade is a traditional trade of us Heng-Huas, right? It's our own business. If you don't carry this forward, who will, right? Because of that, we all try to work hard, do what we need to do, contribute to society. And I think that's very meaningful.
I just hope more parents bring their younger folks here, expose them early to it. So maybe hope to get them interested and to look at our tradition and all, and hopefully they can participate, and then we hope to galvanize the Heng-Hua people together. Yeah.
Do you know what is bye-bye in Heng-Hua?
Yeah, kolo.